Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok something went wrong problem. So if I just try to open my TikTok account here, definitely it will not open because I'm facing the same issue. It just keep on loading and after some time it just show, even though my internet is turned on, it will show me no internet connection, something there's a problem, right? So how I can fix this? So we can only fix this, right? And this major problem is faced by those where TikTok is banned, for example, such as India and some of the few countries that TikTok is banned. So you can't access TikTok directly. And also you won't be able to find it in the Play Store. If I just go there and if I just go to the search bar here and if I look for TikTok, right, usually there's a no search. You can see this app is not available in my country. So how to fix this? The very first thing is that if you're still TikTok is allowed in your country and you are facing this issue, go to the apps management, right? And apps management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. And once you're here, you have to look for TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok here, go to the storage usage, go and clear on cache. You can also clear the data, but you have to re-log in into your account. And you can also update your TikTok account and try to open your TikTok. If nothing works, then I have a VPN, so you can install any of the free VPN which is available on Play Store or App Store here, turn it on and then try to access TikTok and you will be able to do so. This is really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.